Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, born on September 21, 1909, in Nkrumah, Gold Coast, modern-day Ghana, was a pivotal figure in the decolonization of Africa and the movement for Pan-African unity. Here's a biography of his life and contributions, ## early life and education. Kwame Nkrumah was born into a relatively poor family and received his early education at a Catholic mission school. Showing academic promise, he went on to attend Akimota School and later pursued higher education in the United States and the United Kingdom. Education abroad Nkrumah studied at Lincoln University in Pennsylvania, where he earned his Bachelor of Arts degree, and later at the University of Pennsylvania, where he completed his master's degree in education. He also studied at the London School of Economics and Political Science LSE, where he developed a deep interest in African nationalism and anti-colonial movements. ## political activism and leadership. Kwame Nkrumah emerged as a prominent leader in the fight against colonial rule in Africa and the push for independence for Ghana, formerly Gold Coast. Returned to Ghana In 1947, Nkrumah returned to the Gold Coast and became the General Secretary of the United Gold Coast Convention, UGCC, a political party advocating for independence. However, due to disagreements over tactics and the pace of independence, Nkrumah broke away to form the Convention People's Party (CPP) in 1949. Independence struggle Under Nkrumah's leadership, the CPP gained widespread support among the masses through its radical approach to achieving self-rule. He organized strikes, protests, and mass mobilizations that eventually led to Ghana's independence from British colonial rule on March 6, 1957. ## Presidency and Pan-Africanism. After becoming Prime Minister and then President of Ghana, Nkrumah focused on transforming Ghana into a modern industrialized nation and promoting Pan-African unity. Industrialization and development Nkrumah launched ambitious infrastructure projects, including the construction of roads, schools, and hospitals. His vision was to build a socialist society that would be self-reliant and prosperous. Pan-Africanism As a staunch advocate of Pan-Africanism, Nkrumah hosted the historical African Peoples Conference in 1958 in Accra, which brought together leaders from across the continent to discuss unity and liberation. He played a crucial role in the formation of the Organization of African Unity (OAU) in 1963, now known as the African Union, aimed at promoting African solidarity and cooperation.